A 90-day Solitaire cash test should be judged by your total deposits, entry fees, winnings, withdrawals and playing time, not by your biggest winning game. By the end, you'll know exactly how to run a 90-day test and how to decide whether Solitaire Cash is worth continuing. Solitaire Cash is a mobile solitaire game that offers free play alongside cash competitions for eligible players. Cash competitions use entry fees, so the amount you can win depends on the specific competition and your performance. That makes a longer test more useful than judging the app after one session. For the first part of your 90 days, focus on learning the game without risking unnecessary entry fees. Use the free games to understand the interface, card layout, scoring, and timing. Once you're comfortable, record every cash competition you enter. Your tracking sheet only needs a few columns: date, entry fee, prize received, result, and withdrawal amount. At the end of each week, calculate whether you were ahead or behind. Don't use the balance displayed inside the app as your only measure of success. A balance can change through wins and losses, while a successful withdrawal tells you what money actually reached your chosen payment method. The second part of the test is consistency. A single large win can make a short review look much better than your normal results. Over 90 days, repeated results give you more information about whether your playing style is consistently profitable. Also, track your time. If you spend several hours playing and your net result is small, the app may not be worth your time, even if you're technically ahead. Compare your total net result with the number of hours you actually played. The third part is your spending behavior. Don't increase entry fees simply because you lost the previous competition. A previous loss doesn't guarantee that the next game will produce a win. Set a spending limit before playing and treat that limit as money you can afford to lose. After 90 days, look at three numbers: total money deposited, total money withdrawn, and total time spent playing. Your net cash result is the difference between what you put in and what you successfully withdrew. Then compare that result with your playing time. So, is Solitaire Cash worth it after 90 days? There isn't one result that applies to every player. Your competition results, entry choices, withdrawals, and time commitment determine whether the app works for you. The practical next step is to start with free games, keep a record from your first cash entry, and review your numbers at the end of each week. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward real money gaming app reviews.